Hello everybody and welcome back to Address Advisors. Today I am taking you inside a premium mixed-use commercial development here in Nagarjuna Circle, Banjara Hills. When taking up an office space, there's always this one factor that often gets overlooked at, and that is the employees' everyday convenience. This project is located here in the city center, giving you excellent connectivity to your major business hubs like Somajiguda, Begumpet, Financial District, Jubilee Hills and High Tech City. For those relying on public transport, the Panchagutta metro station is just a short walk away. Your bus connectivity and major road networks gives you easy access from different parts of Hyderabad. Now, one of the major advantages of this location is its ecosystem surrounding it. Employees will have easy access to hotels, hospitals, residential communities, shopping destinations and more. And this makes an ideal location for companies that are looking to provide convenience. Now let me give you a quick brief on the development itself. Completed in 2023, this is a joint development, so a mix of premium retail and corporate space. And it's measuring approximately 3.6 lakh square feet with a configuration of 2 basement plus ground plus 10 floors, and it is supported by 500 plus car parking space. And one of the highlights here is how it successfully separates the retail and the office experience. The lower levels are dedicated for retail, entertainment and dining options, featuring popular brands, restaurants, jewelry store and a multiplex cinema. So this gives it a lively atmosphere so employees can have easy access to their everyday convenience here within the development. Now at the same time, the office occupiers benefits from a separate office experience. The office users also get exclusive elevators that is reserved specifically for commercial floors. So this ensures a smooth movement throughout the building while giving you privacy. Now let's go look at the office space. I'm currently on the 10th floor and this office space is measuring approximately 10,000 square feet. It is available in a warm shell condition and it is ready for immediate fit outs. So it gives you the flexibility to design your workspace as per your requirement. So whether that is an open plan office, private rooms, meeting rooms or an executive suite. Now one of the first thing you will notice as you enter is this double glazed glass facade. It's going to give you excellent natural light throughout the day. The 13 feet floor to ceiling height is also going to give you more spacious and premium work environment. Now adding to that, the floor is also designed with 75% of floor efficiency. So that means you can maximize your usable workspace. Some of the key features here also includes high-speed elevators, dedicated elevators for commercial floors, 500 plus covered car parking, multi-level mechanical parking system, CCTV surveillance, 24-hour security, professional facility system, common areas maintenance and upkeep, your double glazed glass facade and warm shell office spaces that is ready for fit outs. If you're looking to establish your office space or expand your operations, then this one is worth considering because it is not only giving you a strong connectivity but premium infrastructure and an added advantage of a retail here in the same development. For pricing, availability and a personalized site tour, reach out to Address Advisors. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.